Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about the trades taken last week using the system as a weekly recap. So let's get started here. This is the first trade on the 21st. I had two trades. Yeah, I think it's after that. So 21st, this is the entry right here, right? There's another entry here. You can see that this trade was running all the way, and it is for 85 pip from here to here. But on the other account, I took this one as well. This entry here, this is the first one, all the way, and then this is from here to here is 55, the same day. So I had two entries on pound Aussie on the 21st, one for 85, one for 55. Okay, and then on the 21st also pound yen. Pound was getting strong, so all pound pair were going up. The pound yen, beautiful buy the book entry here, buy order here, SL move to break even plus, and it was for 75 pip. And on the 22nd now, USD-CAD 70 pip. This was the entry, and after that you had several entries, but I was in here and all the way down. Now this one is from 7-minute chart. That's what it is, right? Because I had a setup for on a 40-minute chart. So right after that, we take the first entry from 7, and then the second and third with the 20-minute. So this is from the 7-minute chart, and here EUR-USD same way. I had the setup on a 40-minute chart reversal. So from there, first entry from 7. I also had a second entry on this one. So this is on the 23rd, 50 pip, and 23rd. This is the pound yen. This is a long entry here, right? All the entries on the left hand side with SL move to break even plus, you can see, and everything is by the book, by the setup, without this, nothing without the setup. So this one for 120 pip. Now the 23rd, pound USD, also like I said, pound was on the move, so 140 pip here, straight up from here to here. And the USD yen, just the opposite. USD was playing. It was getting weaker, so that's why the pound USD went up big time. Pound USD yen, USD CAD dropped. The USD yen 130 pip to the downside. This beautiful by the book entry. And on the 23rd, this is the second entry from 20-minute chart. EUR-USD. The first one we saw on the 21st was from 7-minute chart. It was from here, right here. This was a 7-minute entry. I went up, cash out, and it dropped for 20-minute setup, and then took this one here, 70 pip. This is how it is. And on the 23rd, USD yen from the 20-minute chart. This is the first one you saw for 130 pip. The second one all the way to 135 pip. Another one. So the reason USD yen was going down because USD was getting weaker. At the same time, yen was getting very strong. So like a double force applying on this pair. And on the 25th, the 24th, there was nothing. And the 25th, the only thing I have is US oil. And here the buy order SL move to break even. Entry was at from 78.09, and I closed at 79.61. Okay, buy order right there. Beautiful. Lately I usually don't trade oil or gold or anything, but I'm getting into it now. And oil, I found this system working very good. So I'm going to take more and more entries and show that how good it is and how easy it is to trade oil or gold. Gold just made a long setup. I was posting on the Telegram. I think here, see the Telegram. I post here. The gold might be making a long setup soon, and it just made it, and I just made the entry, and the trade is open. Right, I left it open for for them coming with because the setup is very good, so it's gonna go up. So I said, okay, let me just leave it there. All right, so this is it for now. One last thing that I want to show on this setup for US dollar index. I was predicting it very good, step by step. First, I predicted that it's going to go from here to here, so it went up there. Second, once it was there, I made a chart showing that it's going to drop from there to there. They are all on my website. You can see it before and after. So and it dropped all the way here, and now it's rising. So that would be A, B, and then I'm saying that this could be wave C, and wave 4 will be finished, and we will drop for wave 5 to the downside all the way. And if this one is wave 1 and this is 2, then we might be going up and coming down and then go for wave 3, then followed by wave 4, and then 5 to the upside. It all depends. But either way, right now we are going to go up. Either you take that count or this count, we're going to go up. Right? So it's going to go up, and how far, that's the question. So if it starts to go up, this will happen. These 4 pairs will go down, and these 3 pairs will go up. Any one of them, give me a good entry, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. I must have the entry. Long entry, short entry in these pairs, long entries in these pairs. Only then I will open the trade. And again, like I said, it's a step by step. Everything, all the trades you see, by the setup. Nothing is without the setup. If I have my setup with 4 conditions, then so this is the powerful system. This is how it works, and you gotta play by the rule. And this is what it is. All right. So this I just want to show and share with you guys. And if you want, excuse me, you like what you saw, you want to get the system, be a part of this. You want to be a part of this, trading group, then go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe and get the charts. Today is Friday night. You have Saturday, Sunday. Today is Black Friday as well. And then Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, set up the charts and start trading like this from Monday. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.